Hey guys, I just wanted to share with you my new very favorite thing that I love so much. And it's kind of crazy, but it's the robot vacuum from iRoomba. You can kind of hear it in the background right now. And it's kind of tooling around doing its thing. I'm going to find it because I want to show it to you. And I'm hoping you can see it. But here it is. Kind of tooling around, doing its cleaning thing around the house. So there you go. And what I love about it is I can set it via an app when I'm not home, and it does this when I'm not home. So anyway, there you go. Fun thing for today.
Yay! Bye bye. Hey!
Looks like a tan, like a yellowish tan color. Look at it.
This is the Roomba. It's using its smart map to know which room to go into to vacuum that I told it to. It does leave a little bit of a mess where it's plugged up, I will say. You can hear how loud it is. So I told it to put my gun in there, so that's what it's doing. If it's something that just flies a different way.